Binance leverage trading tokens allow you to leverage up your trading and take advantage of price movements in a wide range of cryptocurrencies. By exaggerating prices up to 5 times what they would be otherwise, you can leverage up your profits and your losses by trading Binance's special leveraged tokens. Hey guys, James here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to trade leveraged tokens on Binance. We'll go over what leveraged tokens actually are, what cryptos are supported, and then how to actually go ahead and trade them, as well as some of the risks you should keep in mind when trading with leverage. The timestamps for this video are in the description for you, alongside some other helpful Binance videos. If you don't have a Binance trading account yet, just click the link in the description to go and sign up and get started. So let's come to Binance then. You can click that link in the description. It will take you through to this page. This is the home page. I'm already logged in. So let's come over to derivatives and come down to leveraged tokens. Now, what exactly are leveraged tokens? Well, they are a derivative product because it's listed in derivatives. That means that they take their value from something else. So they take their value from the cryptocurrencies that they track, but they aren't the cryptocurrency. When you buy leveraged tokens on Binance, you're not actually buying the token itself. They are a different product and the price does move in relation to that. So this will be a sushi-based token. You see Aave here or Aave. You also have a lot of other tokens as well, including Uniswap. The prices of these products will move in line with the prices of the underlying tokens that they are tracking. One important thing to note is that if you trade any of these tokens, you do not own the underlying. So if you buy some leveraged Ethereum, for example, you cannot go and use that Ethereum leveraged token to go and pay for fees on the Ethereum network, and you can't use it for Ethereum staking either. Really, with Binance leveraged tokens, unlike owning the underlying, you're simply just betting on price movements of the underlying cryptocurrency. Okay, so that's leverage tokens. Next, we can see they have this thing called leverage right here. Leverage is when something moves in an exaggerated way. We call this leveraging up, and on Binance, you can have leverage anywhere from 1.25 times all the way up to 5 times leverage. So as an example, let's just say we take this token, and you can see at the moment it's actually leveraged 1.63 times. So what that means is that the underlying token, which is Aave, that moves up 1%. This token will move up 1.63%. The leverage just exaggerates the way a token moves. So for every 1% move that something has, these leverage tokens will move anywhere from 1.25 times more, all the way up to 5 times more than that token. So why would you actually want to go ahead and trade these leveraged tokens? Well, they're giving you extra price movements. So if you're super confident that one of these tokens is going to move in a certain way, then you can actually earn more money. So if you were really confident that Uniswap was going to go up, and you only had $1,000, but you were so confident that you wanted to put all of your money in, you could actually trade a leveraged token. And that means that if Uniswap did go up, you would actually get more from your trade. Of course, the flip side of that is that if you're wrong, you're also wrong a lot more. If it goes down, you are going to be down more than if you just bought the underlying. You're going to be leveraged on the upside and on the downside. So what tokens are supported on Binance? You can see this list here, and it really is a lot of the most popular cryptocurrencies. We have Polkadot right here. We have XRP. Coming down here, we actually have BNB or Binance Coin, Chainlink, ADA, Ethereum, Bitcoin, really all of the biggest cryptocurrencies, especially the ones with a lot of trade. You can find them here. And as you can see, more are to come. So definitely check when you are watching this video as to the coin support. And next I want to touch on up and down tokens. You can actually see 2 leverage tokens per cryptocurrency. You can see an up and a down. So BTC up and down, Ethereum up and down. Let's start on up first. So we have Ethereum up and Bitcoin up. These leverage tokens will move in an exaggerated way along with the price of the underlying cryptocurrency. So if you think that Bitcoin is going to increase in value, you would buy Bitcoin up. And at the moment, you would be leveraged 2 times. If Bitcoin moves up, you are going to benefit from that price move and you are going to be leveraged 2 times. As of making this video, Bitcoin has had a pretty decent sell-off. So you can see this price is down. This price moves in correlation with Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin price has moved down. This has also moved down, but because it's leveraged, it's moved down even more than the Bitcoin price. This is essentially going long Bitcoin though. So when you buy an up token, you're going long, you are betting that the price goes up, and you will benefit if the price goes up, and you'll also lose money if the price goes down. Conversely then, down tokens are the exact opposite, and you can see this token is actually up 36% right now. This is because this leverage token moves inversely to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin falls in value, this coin will gain in value. This is a way to bet on the price of Bitcoin going down. So you actually benefit when the price of Bitcoin falls. This is the same as shorting stock in the stock market, selling stock that you don't have to benefit from a price movement downwards, and then buying it back at a cheaper price afterwards than you sold it at initially. If you think the price of a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum is actually going to move down, you would buy this down token and actually benefit when the price falls. These tokens then enable traders to bet on price movements of the underlying cryptocurrencies, either up or down, so you can take your choice. We can actually go and click on Bitcoin down and see some more information of the leverage token. It's going to give you some good information that you might want to see. Firstly, the historical net asset value chart. As I said at the start, these are not cryptocurrencies per se. They are not the underlying. NAV is actually something of a fund. So this is actually a fund of futures. It all gets very complex, but essentially this basket of goods is tracking the price of Bitcoin and enabling you to bet on an outcome for the price. In this case, Bitcoin down, and you can see it's shorting Bitcoin with up to 4 times leverage. Because this is actually a fund and a group of futures, you can actually invest in the fund itself. You can subscribe to this fund, which means you can actually invest in it and hold part of the fund. You can actually hold a percentage of this fund, and you can see because it's a fund, it has a daily management fee of 0.01%. You can go ahead and subscribe tokens. You can actually come in here and then put the amount of US dollar tether that you're willing to invest in this fund. Remember, because this is not the underlying asset, we don't need to trade Bitcoin itself. We can just use a stable coin like US dollar tether to go and invest into this fund. So you can put $100, go and confirm your subscription, and then you'll have a subscription for the fund, and you will benefit if the price of Bitcoin falls. If you have subscribed to the fund, you can also go and redeem all of your investments very easily by pressing this button. There is another way to go ahead and trade this fund though, this fund of futures, and you can go ahead and press buy, and it will actually take you through to the market for it. So I'm just going to click on this. It's going to take us through to the advanced trading screen on Binance. And because it's a leverage token, to be really clear, leverage is very risky, of course, because you are exaggerating gains and of course losses also. You then have to go and take this quiz to make sure that you know what leverage is and the risks. But just to show you, you can definitely go and buy into this fund here as well. So you can have a look at the chart and see what's going on. We can see volume is very high on this fund right now because the price of Bitcoin is cooling off and falling down. So people are investing into Bitcoin down, but you can go and trade this as well. Just like placing a limit order for a cryptocurrency on Binance, you can bid for the amount that you want to pay for the fund. So right now the fund is trading at a value of 0.0907. So you can trade that as you want. You can also put the amount of USDT that you have on account. And then you see, you just go through and press Bitcoin down. It is more or less the same as going through and just pressing subscribe on this page as well. So should you get into leverage tokens on Binance? Well, they are important for traders in various ways. Leverage tokens will exaggerate both your gains and your losses, but they do serve a purpose in enabling traders to bet on price movements either up and down, which is more difficult to do if you don't have instruments like this. If you do want to go ahead and trade leverage tokens or buy cryptocurrencies on Binance and you don't have an account yet, just click the link in the description to go through it and sign up. Also check out the Binance playlist on the channel for way more helpful Binance videos. Do give the video a thumbs up if you got value in it, subscribe for way more cryptocurrency content, and I'll see you in the next one.